Today's lesson is 10.3, finishing up scientific notation, but this time it's going to be with smaller numbers. So with bigger numbers, our exponent is positive. With smaller numbers, our exponent is going to be negative. So in this case, we have the number 0.00456. Well, we know standard form, we need to move this in between the first number and then the following numbers. So we have 4.56. Standard form needs to be times 10 to the power. Well, it's 4.56 times 10 to the negative third power because we started our decimal over here and it went 1, 2, 3 place values back. So it went in a negative direction instead of the positive direction. So in the case that we have 0.000089, we know 8 is going to be right in front of our decimal point because we need one number in front of the decimal point, and then our 9 goes behind it. Standard form has times 10. And then we're moving it this direction, so it's a negative number. And we just have to count how many it goes over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 10 to the negative fifth power. Right here, number 51, 2 is going to be my first number in front of the decimal because it's first number after all the zeros. So it's 2, and then I have 18277 behind it. 18277 times 10, because scientific notation is always times 10. And then it goes over 1, 2, 3 times. But it's negative because it started out with a number that was less than 1. So negative 3. This one, if it's 0.559, 5 is our first number, so that goes in front of the decimal. Then the 9 goes behind it, times 10. And then this time it only went over one bounce, so to the negative first power. So all that you have to do is the same thing we did yesterday, except for we have to add the negative sign in front of it. And so today's assignment, you're going to finish up your lesson. There's some review at the bottom, but pretty much you're just finishing it up using negative numbers.